Good afternoon, scrappers. I was going to do a different video, but today I came home to something on my doorstep. Excuse me. Which is this. Now I figure this is some sort of pump. So inside here I'm hoping is a big copper motor, but we'll take it apart and have a little look. Let's stand that there for a second. Right, let's see how we go taking this apart. I did weigh it and it comes in at about 15 kilos. So it's a pretty chunky one. And just to get some sort of idea. They're the bolts that came off it. So, you know, it's a pretty sizable piece. We'll see how we get on with it and see what goodies we can find. I'm just hoping for a big copper laden motor inside. We can want all we like. You know how these things work out. I doubt it's going to be aluminium in something this size. So I'll have to cut those off there. Some big screws there. Not too bad. Not too much effort for that. Luckily there's only 3 of them. So I'll keep knocking the camera. So there might be aluminium on there. Let's get rid of that. Spider. Deceased spider. Suppose that casing is. Oh. Right, so the bottom part is steel, this part, top part, is aluminium. Fantastic. Will increase the value somewhat. Now let's get these bad boys undone. Oh, this is going to be a nice easy one by the look of it. I hope I haven't spoken too soon. You know what it's like. I might even be able to do this with the hand one, a small one. There we go. just take that off first, so it's not in the way. Just holding that on. Just a bit of cable in there. Always keep the cable, no matter how small, because we all have a bit of cable. It's stuck on there. There's no more cable in that. There's plastic. That feels like aluminium as well. What did I do with my magnet? Stuck to those. Nice bit of alley. Right. Just take that other one out of there. There we go. It's probably more difficult because there's a bit of pressure on it. Let's have a look. Piece of alley. Wow, you can see what I see. Let's cut that off there. Let's take that off there. It's fallen off itself. Just got to take those little screws out of there to get that off, so we can take the wire off. Makes change for something to come apart nice and easily after I've been doing all those boiler motors. I've snapped no ends of attachments for these. In fact, I've done so many I need to buy a decent set to make up for all the ones I've broken. Such is life. Right, a bit of cable there. Nice big chunk of aluminium there. Let's go with those ones. Right. I don't know. I'm hoping that's copper. Where's the foot? That's always good. Yep, lovely copper. There's a lot of it in there. Brilliant. Take that apart at a later date because I've got a huge pile to take apart. Let's take those off there because they're rubbish. Couple of gaskets. Can we use for that? I'll still clean everything up as much as possible. There we go, let's get rid of that. A couple of screws in there, we'll get rid of those. No doubt they're going to be holding something in. I don't know if that'll come out of there easily or not. I'll have to undo that bolt in the top there. What can we use for that? guess no, never get it right first time. Right. Okay. That might go the other way. You sometimes find when things spin around, the thread will go the opposite way to stop it undoing itself. There we go, nice bolt there. And hopefully, there we go. That is I'm not sure what that is. You're kidding me, that's copper as well, that piece. So I'll have to see if I can separate those. That might be a bit of a job, that. Might be a case of smacking that with a hammer from that side and maybe hopefully separating those two. But that is a lovely chunk of copper on there. And what else have we in here? Nothing. No, so that is just a big chunk of steel. Well, that's not bad. So where's my little scales? Oh. Well, we're not going to get that on the little scales. We'll get the alley on. $710 grams of alley, and then we've got a reasonable amount of copper, and I think there's about half a kilo of copper, and then the rest there you're looking at probably 10 or 12 kilos of steel. So all in all, that's not too bad. Oh, what's that? Oh, see, don't miss out on anything, because there it's a tiny piece of brass. So that will go into the brass pot. Yeah, it's a nice little surprise to come home to. There's something interesting to take apart, and yeah, make a few quid. And it was easy. That's the best thing. That's what we want. Things that are easy to take apart, and you can get a nice little amount of scrap off them. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you for all the subscribers. Thank you for all the likes and the comments. And it'd be nice if you share some of my videos about, if anyone else would be interested in them. So thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one. Keep scrapping.